Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. On today's video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step on how to apply your eyeshadow. So if you're interested in this video, please keep watching and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give me a thumbs up if you find the video interesting. Let me know your thoughts on this look. Comment below and let me know what you think about this look. To start off your eyeshadow, you need a large eyeshadow blending brush. This is serving as a base brush to help blend out all your eyeshadow and put them in place. Secondly, you need a taper blending brush. This is similar to the large brush, but it's kind of smaller. It gives you a little bit of blend, more precise color into the crease area. Then you need a flat brush. This is just your lid to apply your shimmery eyeshadow. When looking out for eyeshadow palette, make sure it has all the new shades you need for your everyday makeup. So for me today, I'll be using the Nude eyeshadow palette from Zaron Cosmetics in Earth. This is so because it has a lot of matte shades and the fact that it is nude. I'm going to be using 2 shades from this palette for this tutorial. Everyday makeup is all about what you're wearing. Apart from any other colors in the palette, gold eyeshadow is seen as a natural color. That is why on this video, I'll be using this gold palette from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to be applying this shadow on my lid. Before you start off your eyeshadow application, make sure your eyelids are prepped either with a concealer or an eye primer. For this look, I'll be using a liquid concealer. You always want to do this because it prepares your eyelid for eyeshadow and it also helps your makeup look better and last longer. Whenever you're applying your concealer, make sure you dab it into your skin and not drag it. When you're done with that, you can now apply a translucent powder to avoid creasing. Using this large blending brush, I'm going to be using this Coral from Zaron Nude eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my crease. This is serving as my transition shade. You always need to have a transition shade that gives you that helps you blend out all your eyeshadow into one place. So I'm just going in a circular motion and just blending everything all together just to give me that seamless finish. And you see how the tone is close to my skin. The tone of the eyeshadow is close to my skin. So you just want to keep blending. If it's not enough, you take more and keep applying until you get that smooth finish. So your eyes is split into 3 sections: the lid, the crease, and your brow bone. Now I am going in with the crease shade and I'm just taking this brown color from Zaron Cosmetics and I'm tapping off the excess. You want to tap off the excess to avoid overloads of product on your eyes. You don't want to have so much product that you'll be able to blend out what you applied on your eyes. So you need to take the excess off. So now I'm just putting that directly on my crease and I'm leaving my eyes halfway open just because I want to get the direct part I'm supposed to apply, that precise shape I want. And I'm just blending them all the way, blending it in a circular motion, taking it all the way to my socket area, and I'm bringing it back. You keep doing this until you get that perfect blend. The reason why I'm taking it to my socket area because I want it to deepen my eyes and give me more depth. My eyes, just to give my eyes more depth. So you keep blending until you get the perfect blend you want, until you see that your eyeshadow is smooth and is seamless. Now we are going to finish up with the lid shade. I am taking this gold eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution and I'm just going to be applying it all over my lid. You need to apply or you need to dab your eyeshadow on your lid and not drag it so that your concealer or your eye primer won't affect it or won't crease out. So you need to dab, and the reason why you're dabbing is because you want to get that pigment that you're looking for. I don't know if you understand. You want to get that pigment. So I'm just dabbing my eyeshadow on my lid. Finally, I'm going in my blending brush and I'm just going to using that to blend out or to blend in all my eyeshadow together to give me that seamless and even look. When you're done with your eyeshadow application, the next thing for you to do is to apply your liquid liner. Then you go in with your mascara and your eye pencil on your waterline. Then if you're the type that likes to, apply your false lash or fix your false lash, you can do that, but it is optional. It is not compulsory that you must, do that at all time. For me, I didn't use that on this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate, for you to stay to this time. Let me know what your difficulties are when it comes to applying your eyeshadow. Let me know, because not everybody have that difficulties. Comment below and let me know. Thank you so much. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video if you find it interesting. If you find the video interesting, please give me a thumbs up and share it to your friends, to your colleagues. I will see you in my next video.